When it came to architecting the tech stack of VetRadar, first of all, we're thinking about using the best tools in the business, all the fun techie stuff that gets people excited to work on a product and get a really fast, fulfilling feedback loop in their development experience. With VetRadar, you do have some of the challenges of success, and so scaling up is always a nice problem to have. When we're looking at candidates for VetRadar, first of all, we're considering excellent communication skills. The amount of sort of agile interactions that you have with other members of the team is, it's really frequent and fast. One day at VetRadar, you might be working in Node.js, the next day continuous integration, and the next day CSS. And it's all about people that really enjoy helping our customers and talking to the wider community and building quality software.